guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, in a sculpting class, Jerome has a block of clay shaped like a rectangular prism. He uses a wire to slice it, but his slice wasn't perpendicular to the table. What is the shape that the cross section could be? Well, first of all, to clarify, when they're asking about a cross section, they're talking about once you slice this rectangular prism, if you were to separate it, the two slices, what does it look like on a flat surface? So in case you are unsure of what the problem means by the word cross-section, it means when you take your rectangular prism, when you slice it, if you were to take the two pieces and separate them and look at the flat surface that it makes, what shape does it look like? Or you could think of it as taking that flat shape and maybe putting some paint on it and then stamp it down on a sheet of paper. What shape would you see in that stamp? Okay, that's what they're asking. And the other thing I want to clarify is what a rectangular prism looks like. And to say it in a super simplified way, I would say the shape of a stick of butter or maybe a box. Now, if I consider the ways that I could cut this stick of butter, so when we're considering our stick of butter, I can think of different ways that I can cut this that are not perpendicular to the table. And one way would be if I were to start at a corner, okay, or the formal word for this would be the vertex. And I could slice it diagonally. So it could go here and it could go here. And it would end up making a triangle shape, okay? So a diagonal slice would be a slice that is not perpendicular to the table, and it would slice my stick of butter. And I would end up with a triangle. Another slice that I could make could be through a complete side, and that means you're gonna end up with a rectangle shape because you're literally going with your knife flat against the whole side and then angling it down. So that's gonna make two rectangles, one on one side of it and one on the other side. So triangle and rectangle are my two answers for today's math problem of the day. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math, click on Math Videos, and you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.